Hey everyone, this semester I'm going to talk about two tools that are not in the basic photography workflow panel. So let me go ahead and talk about those. They are the curvature pen tool and also the mixer brush tool. So let's go ahead and get started to get these in your workspace. Let's go ahead and make sure that we're all in the photography workspace. So go up to Window, Workspace, click Photography. So we're all in the same workspace. We're then going to go over to our toolbar and go to this bottom icon. We're going to right click it and go to Edit Toolbar. And here we're going to see all the tools that we have in our toolbar. So I'm going to scroll down here on this left side where it says Toolbar until I get to the brush. So we see we have two brushes. We have the brush tool and the pencil tool. So I'm going to add a third brush tool, which is called the mixer brush. It's a brush tool that I use a lot. It's especially useful in frequency separation, which we'll talk about later. So I'm going to go ahead and scroll down to this mixer brush tool here. So here it is in my extra tool setting. I'm going to click it and I'm going to drag it into the brush tools. The next one I'm going to find is our curvature pen tool. And it's just an easier way to use the pen tool. It doesn't require you to use the handles on the pen tool. So over here we're in the pen tool settings. And I'm going to scroll and find it over here. It's at the very bottom almost here. I'm going to drag this curvature pen tool over here. So it now appears in our workflow. So I'm just going to go up here and I'm going to click done. And then we can go and see right here, we have our mixer brush. And this isn't going to be a very good example of how you use it. I'll show you that in another video. But I'm going to kind of increase the size here. You'll see it kind of works like a smudge tool, but it's actually a lot more useful, and we can go over that a little bit in a different video. And the other one is our curvature pen tool. So I'm going to go down here and I'm going to show it to you real quick. It allows us to just set points and move them without adding handles. So I'm just going to drop some points here just so everyone can see them real quick. And it is just a super quick way to start getting familiar with the pen tool. So that's my quick demo. That's a little bit about the two tools that aren't in your workspace. We'll talk about them in more detail later.